subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
OnePlus has launched the successor of OnePlus Nord 2 smartphone globally called OnePlus Nord 2T with quite new design. Talking about the specifications, the OnePlus Nord 2T features a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 90Hz refresh rate support, and it has a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. The screen is HDR10+ certified, and on the top, it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the phone is powered by latest MediaTek Dimensity 1300 chipset, paired with Mali G77 MC9 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. In terms of camera, the OnePlus Nord 2T supports a triple camera setup and a circular ring at the top left corner that includes a 50MP main camera with Sony IMX766 sensor plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 120° field of view and a 2MP monochrome sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has 32MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with Sony IMX615 sensor. The device comes equipped by a large 4500mAh battery with 80W SuperVOOC fast charging support, and on the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 based on Oxygen OS 12.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.1 by 73.2 by 8.2mm and it weighs around 190 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The OnePlus Nord 2T has been priced for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at €399, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at €499. The smartphone is set to go on sale starting from May 24th in grey shadow and jet fog color options. So what do you guys think of this OnePlus Nord 2T 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.